I am at the Chattanooga Kidney Foundation fundraiser. It's called Taste. And today, this is what I'm sharing with the people. It's called the Kidney Kickstart Salad, and the kidney bean is the star. We also have you're able to make your own seasoning blend, low sodium, better than the stuff in the store. We got a taco blend and an Italian blend. I'll let you see everything going on. We got a lot of people out here, you know, collecting money for dialysis patients and kidney patients. And that's me, spreading healthy recipes that are simple and easy. So if you'd already follow me on Instagram, which you would if you're seeing this, follow me on YouTube, Culinary Wellness RX. We're having a great time out here for a good cause. All right, one more shot of the salad. I'm gonna finish up here.